Okay, it's snack time in the Ross house. Back from school? Yeah, good day at school, Zoe?
No.
No? Why was it a good day at school?
Don't like it.
Oh, don't you like it, don't you? So, for snacks today...
It's bread time.
Yeah?
No,
Andre,
I'm putting it
I'm
onto
going to
another
slice
plate.
it for you. So we're having
I
sliced
don't want
eggs.
my slice.
Tell the camera that.
I don't want my slice.
Why not? Leave it. Go and wash your hands.
I have.
Go and wash them again. Yes, Oliver?
I washed them before
Yes,
I
Oliver?
went to school.
Leave it.
I don't want it, Dada.
I'm
No!
cutting Oliver's up to make him toast.
I just want my cut up, but no toast.
Why? You want a piece of toast with it?
No.
You said you wanted it cut up.
Too late.
You said you wanted it cut.
No! No! No!
You said you wanted it cut. Why didn't you want it cut? You said you wanted it cut. So they're having egg, toast, and a little ramekin fruit salad. She definitely said she'd have it cut. So fruit salad I made earlier. Eggs I boiled this morning. A little bit of fruit salad. And in fact, I should probably have some fruit salad to get my blood sugar level back up. Yes, Oliver? Myself. So there we go, and the rest will be my breakfast. I'll probably add some warm porridge oats to it. Okay. Oliver, would you like butter on your toast? An egg? Yes, please? No, thank you. Zoe, do you want butter on your toast? Zoe, butter? You don't want any toast? Is that no thank you, Mummy? So neither of you want butter? Okay, no thank you? Okay. Oh, so that's snack time. Glass of water. Piece of toast. Fried egg. Boiled egg. And some lovely fruit salad. Let's have our blood sugar levels get back to normal, and then we'll have a lovely salmon and potato for supper. Yes?